Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix any issues related to auto brightness on TCL 60 SE NXTpaper. Let's begin. So let's begin with simply checking if we have auto brightness enabled. We can easily do that by going to settings. Now scrolling to display. And then, as you can see, adaptive brightness is currently turned off, so auto brightness will not work. In order to enable it, all you have to do is simply toggle it on, and as you can see already, our brightness automatically went up. However, you may still encounter some issues. Well, it's pretty important to say that on this specific device, we have different modes for reading. We can change the mode by simply swiping the little button on this side. And for example, if we go to max ink mode, and we'll go with enter, we'll enter max ink mode, the phone will dramatically change, like very change. And as you can see, we can't really expand the control center, and if we go to the settings, we can go to brightness, and we still do have auto brightness. However, because of the black and white screen, your brightness level might be a little bit different. So it's pretty important to simply reboot your device then, because auto brightness works on sensors that are built inside your camera, and whenever you reboot your device, in order to reboot it, we can press and hold power button and volume down, or power button and volume up, but maybe not on this mode, so let's leave the mode. Let's enter our normal smartphone mode, and as you can see now we should be able to turn off the device. Now this is screenshot. Never mind, I forgot that on some devices power button actually takes you to Google Assistant, and on some other it will just take you to the reboot options. Anyway, all we want to do is simply go with restart, just like that. Though we don't really have to reboot it to the safe mode, there's no need to. Since rebooting it will reboot every single device and hardware that is inside your phone. So, for example, the sensors that are responsible for auto brightness will be rebooted as well. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.